Do you know what will happen if you eat nuts, whole grains, seeds, berries, etc.? Their benefits are amazing. Stay tuned till the end to learn about their benefits. This video is about the top 10 popular foods to eat to live longer. After watching this, you will know which food items are better. 1. Berries. We all love berries. There are strawberries, blueberries, cranberries, etc. How can they help us live longer? Do you know the reason? Have you heard about the advantages of having them? These fruits are a rich source of antioxidants that are good for your heart. Studies show reductions in blood pressure, oxidative stress indicators, and a total LDL cholesterol in those who consumed blueberries and strawberries on a daily basis for several weeks. Berries are a fantastic source of brain food and also contain anti-cancer properties. Consume berries frequently if you wish to slow down brain aging. Choose tried and true fruits like strawberries or blueberries instead, or try something novel like goji berries. Is eating berries every day healthy? Berries have a terrific flavor, are very nourishing, and have numerous positive health effects, including those on the skin and heart. You can greatly improve your general health by regularly including them in your diet. Also, please share some berries from your area in the comments section below. 2. Pomegranate. What can a pomegranate do? We all know, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but is the pomegranate better than the apple? Yes. Of course it is delicious and juicy. Let's see its advantages. What is a pomegranate? It is a unique fruit with tiny, crisp, juicy arils that have a delightful fusion of sweet and sour flavors. More than half of the antioxidant activity of pomegranate juice is attributed to punicalagin, the most common and characteristic phytochemical of pomegranates. Pomegranate phytochemicals have several anti-cancer, heart protective, and brain-healthy properties. A 30% reduction in atherosclerotic plaque was found in a trial of patients with severe carotid artery blockages who drank 1 ounce of pomegranate juice daily for a year. In the control group, atherosclerotic plaque grew by 9%. Due to the fact that this study featured patients with severe carotid artery blockages, it is remarkable. Stay alert, an interesting tip is on the way. Score the fruit about a ½ inch deep in the diameter. Twist to split it in half. Then, pound the back with the back of a big spoon to extract the edible arils. 3. Nuts. It's a great source of good fat. We've all heard of the numerous benefits of nuts. I will assist you in gaining or losing weight. Portion control is the key to losing weight. What else do you know about nuts? There are different types of nuts. Could you name some? Why is it healthy? Because they are a high nutrient source of healthy fats, plant protein, fiber, antioxidants, phytosterols, and minerals. Nuts are a crucial component of a diet designed to prevent diabetes. Additionally, they are low glycemic foods that lower the overall glycemic load of a meal. Despite having a high calorie count, eating nuts is associated with a reduced body weight, presumably due to the appetite-suppressing properties of the heart-healthy ingredients. Consuming nuts regularly reduces cholesterol and is linked to a 35% lower risk of heart disease. How can you consume nuts? It can also be used as a salad dressing. This dressing will be creamy and yummy too, or you can top your salad with a few walnuts or sliced almonds. 4. Salad greens. If you're looking for a low-calorie food, then this is your option. These have less than 100 calories per pound, making them a great food for weight management. In scientific studies, women who started to eat large salads consumed fewer calories overall. And we know that when we consume fewer calories, we lose weight or manage our weight. So, which health factors can be reduced by the consumption of salad greens? It is linked to a lower risk of heart attack, stroke, diabetes, and a number of malignancies, in addition to maintaining your ideal weight. Leafy greens are a very good source of carotenoids, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which protect the eyes from damaging light, in addition to the 3 essential B vitamin folate. Try lettuce, mustard greens, collard greens, spinach, kale, or mustard. To absorb leafy greens' fat-soluble phytochemicals, particularly their carotenoids, and to get their health benefits, you must consume fats. This is why you should always include nuts and/or seeds in your salad or dressing. 5. Seeds. Now, name some seeds that you're familiar with. Try to name at least 5 seeds. Let's see its benefits. The nutritional profiles of seeds and nuts are strikingly similar in that both have healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants. However, while seeds have more protein and trace elements than nuts, they have more of these minerals overall. Omega-3 fatty acids are abundant in hemp, chia, and flax seeds. Flax, chia, and sesame seeds are also rich sources of lignans, which are phytoestrogens that protect against breast cancer. Sesame seeds are high in calcium and vitamin E, but pumpkin seeds are particularly high in zinc. Nuts and seeds should be consumed raw or very gently roasted for the greatest nutritional benefit. You can consume it with your morning smoothie or oatmeal. Try adding flax or chia seeds. Also, chia seed water can be consumed. Try this. You will surely feel healthier. If you're planning to lose weight, this will boost your weight loss journey. 6. Cruciferous vegetables. What are cruciferous vegetables? These are superfood vegetables with the rare capacity to alter human hormones, stimulate the body's inherent cleansing process, and stop the development of malignant cells. To release their potent anti-cancer qualities, cruciferous vegetables should be chewed thoroughly or consumed shredded, diced, juiced, or mixed. It has been established that the phytochemical sulforaphane, which is present in crucifers, protects the blood vessel walls against inflammatory signals that might result in heart disease. Cruciferous vegetables are among the foods with valuable nutritional contents. Eat a variety of raw and cooked foods every day. Try some broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, or cabbage. 7. Mushrooms. They are low in calories, but still an excellent source. You have to be careful while plucking and eating mushrooms. Not all mushrooms are edible. Some contain poison. So, do good research before eating mushrooms that are available around you. If you're a mushroom lover, try to eat them more often. Breast cancer is on the rise nowadays. What happens when you consume mushrooms regularly? It will reduce the risk of breast cancer. White and portobello mushrooms are particularly protective against breast cancer due to their aromatase inhibitor content, which is a group of substances that prevent the generation of estrogen. There are numerous health advantages to eating mushrooms. Numerous types of mushrooms have been found to have anti-inflammatory characteristics, enhance immune cell activity, DNA damage prevention, reduced cancer cell formation, and angiogenesis suppression. 8. Beans. How can beans make you live longer? Have any ideas? A fantastic source of fiber is beans. That's significant because the majority of Americans don't consume the 25 to 38 grams daily that are suggested. Fiber protects against heart disease, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and gastrointestinal issues. Each cup of navy beans contains roughly 19 grams of fiber. For a substantial soup, use some smoked turkey, kale, onions, and carrots. 9. Tomatoes. Why are tomatoes red? Stay tuned to learn more about this. The chemical lycopene is abundant in tomatoes. It gives them their striking red hue and helps protect them from UV rays from the sun. Similar to that, it can help prevent cell damage. Tomatoes also contain potassium, vitamins B and E, and other minerals. Lycopene is an antioxidant that protects against free radicals, which can injure your cells and impair your immune system. As a result, consuming foods like tomatoes that are high in lycopene may lower your risk of getting stomach, lung, or prostate cancer. Studies suggest that they could also help in the prevention of diseases affecting the cervix, breast, pancreas, colon, throat, and mouth. Due to the presence of the pigment lycopene, tomatoes appear red, yet when a tomato is young, it is actually green. Do you want to look red? Then eat tomatoes! 10. Salmon. Including salmon in your diet can help your heart age slower. Omega-3 fatty acids are abundant in salmon and can help decrease blood pressure and prevent heart disease. Men who consumed oily fish for 8 weeks had higher levels of the anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids and lower levels of triglycerides and inflammatory markers, according to a small study published in Nutrition Research. The researchers came to the conclusion that consuming fatty fish, such as salmon, can probably lower the risk of factors for cardiovascular disease. What do you think about these foods? Do you have any other items which can make you live longer? Let us know in the comments. Also, refer to other videos on our channel. If you want to live for 100 years or to stay healthy, please subscribe, like, and click the bell icon.